Whether you swing doors on the daily or you're just hanging a one-off, this Xtorque door clamp is a must-have. The clamp is foot activated. When you push that pedal down, it opens the spring-loaded jaws which clamp onto the door or panel on release. And those jaws have the capacity to grab onto a 65mm thick panel or door. Now I'm dropping a solid core door into it today just to show how rigid and sturdy it is. Now the clamp features all steel construction with felt lining everywhere that touches your panel or door to preserve the finish if they're already finished. There's also a rubber grip across the base of the clamp that stops any slippage, that also protects the surface of any finished floor. It's got some stabilizing feet you can extend there that'll just prevent you from knocking it over when you're loading a heavy door or panel in and out of the clamp. It's also got a locking screw there so you can lock those clamp jaws in place. There's a handy little door lifter attached to it as well, which you can remove and use to lift up doors when you're screwing off the hinge. That's a great little bonus. And with that nice briefcase style handle up on top, you can carry it on and off site, position it where you need it, get yourself out of there at the end of the day. Whether you're hanging one door or swinging doors all day, every day, there's so much benefit from one piece of equipment. Make sure you check it out at your local Sydney Tools store. Also check out the latch and mortising jigs from Xtorque while you're at it at sydneytools.com.au. Great bits of kit for hanging doors. And if you've got any questions about any of them, make sure you hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.